Okay, topic name, vectors, vector product. Vectors, vector product. That's the topic name. So please be ready. And we are starting our early morning procedure. Today is given just relaxation. So I also relaxed. You people actually, I don't know whether you woke up now or not. And MCQ test portal I shared, many people, only very few people only checked it. That's what I noticed. The others didn't check it. So you have to check that also. How much mark you're scoring doesn't matter, but everyone should try that test. For 200 questions are the most probably today itself I'll make it to 300. Updated one will come. Okay, everybody knows the result. What is magnitude of A cross B? This only we are using. Magnitude of A cross B is what? Magnitude A, magnitude B cos theta, sorry, sin theta. This is what we are using the result. So based on this one only we people are doing the problem. And if two vectors are parallel, A cross B equal to what? 0. Two vectors are parallel, A cross B equal to what? 0. Two vectors are, this is what parallel condition. Two vectors are perpendicular, you know, A dot B equal to 0. Even yesterday also a lot of questions we did, those who attended they knows. And another thing what you should know, what I say, another thing, not this one. Say, yeah, A cross B is the vector. A cross B is the vector which is perpendicular to both the A and the B, which is perpendicular to both the A and the B. Don't forget. If they're asking a vector which is perpendicular to both A and B, you just find what? A cross B. This all are the basic ideas. So we are starting. Question number 9th one. Many questions are there. Question number 9th one. Given that, question number 9th one. Given that I plus 3j plus 9k cross 3i minus lambda j plus mu k equal to 0. So we want to find the value of this one. So cross product, if it comes, normally we people use write ijk. Normally we people use write what? ijk. Then what? The first coefficient 139. Second coefficient 3 minus lambda mu equal to 0. So please proceed it. Please proceed. I into 3 mu plus 27. Why plus 27? I think everybody understood. Minus j into mu minus, it's correct, you know, 3 mu plus 27. Sorry, not 3 mu plus 27, 3 mu plus 9 lambda. Yeah. So j into mu minus 27 plus k into minus lambda minus 9 equal to 0. 0 means it will be what? 0 vector. So each term you have to equate, but don't forget here one minus sign is there. Don't forget about that. So 3 mu plus 9 lambda equal to what? 0. Minus mu of 27 equal to 0. Minus lambda minus 9 equal to 0. So don't forget all the term to equate. So that's the thing. And here mu equal to what? 27 you will get. Here what? Lambda equal to what? Minus 9. You got the answer, but this is not fixed. You have to make sure it is satisfying what here. Even 3D also, when we found the point of intersection, we checked it is satisfying here or not. So put lambda equal to minus 9 and mu equal to 27. 3 into 27 plus 9 into minus 9 equal to 0. Satisfied. If it is not satisfying, we people are saying there is no solution, like that only we people are doing. So I hope everyone understood this one, how we did. Next I'm doing question number. Question number. Please write up to you. Anybody have problem, let me know. 8th one. Question number 8th one. Question number 8th one. The magnitude of the vector product of the vector I plus j plus k. The similar question was there in the dot product also. So first vector we called I plus j plus k. This, we have limited time only. For thinking and all, we don't have time. So please write it quickly. Question number 8th one. Because it's a 1 hour session. A equal to I plus J plus K. B equal to 2I plus 4J. 2I plus 4J minus 5K. C equal to lambda I plus 2J plus 3K. So, you read the magnitude of the vector, product of vector, the magnitude of the vector product of the vector I plus J plus K, unit vector along the sum. So, unit vector along the sum means, let D equal to sum you have to find. Then you have to find a D kappa. This will be 2 plus lambda I. Anybody have any step doubt, you can ask me. 6J minus 2K. Therefore, magnitude of D, root of lambda plus 2 whole square, 6 square plus minus 2 square, lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 4, 36 plus 4. So, magnitude of this one will be lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. Therefore, D cap equal to D vector by magnitude of D. What is D vector? 2 plus lambda I plus 6J minus 2K divided by root of lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. This is what D cap. So unit vector, if they're asking, this is the procedure. Don't forget about that. This is the unit vector. Next week, I think, Burla, this week the exam starts, but next week class we cannot cancel because, you know, otherwise probability we won't finish. So class regularly will run. If possible, you try to attend it because class timing if you want, because otherwise probability won't finish because immediate after your next pre-board also announced. So this is what a D cap. Now its magnitude, the question you read, vector product of this one and a D cap, unit vector along the sum of the B and C. Therefore, now A vector cross D cap, I, J, K, one, 2 plus lambda by root of lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. 6 by the same thing, root of this one. And last one is what? Minus 2 by the same thing. I told you determinants, there is a property. If any row or any column, it is applicable only in determinant, not as a matrix. Matrices means everywhere should be common. The common term, I took it outside. Then what? I, J, K, 1, lambda plus 2 or 2, lambda 6 minus 2. This one you have to find the determinant. This one. So it will be 1 by root of lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. Then I into minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 minus j into minus 2 minus lambda minus 2 plus k into 6 minus lambda minus 2. So it will be 1 by root of lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44 minus 8i plus lambda plus 4j. Because why plus? Because you can see one minus here. That minus I took inside. So it will be what? Plus lambda plus 4. Plus k into lambda, 4 minus lambda. Every calculation part, don't make a mistake. Be careful about that. Every calculation see how it is done, that you don't make a mistake. So we got this much. Calculation mistake should not be there. Now what they given? Its magnitude they given. They given its magnitude. Given that magnitude of A cross D cap equal to 1. The same question we done in dot product also. Don't forget about that. So magnitude when you're finding, I told you don't bother about magnitude. Mainly we are applying for what IJK. So root of minus a square 64, or if you want you can write that also. Minus 8 square lambda plus 4 whole square, 4 minus lambda whole square. Divide by this one you can keep down, no problem, because that's magnitude will not reflect in that. Equal to 1. Sorry, magnitude is given root 2. Sorry, magnitude is given root 2. Previous, I think, dot product is given 1, I think. Magnitude is root 2. Now what's squaring both sides? Squaring both sides. So when you're squaring, root will go. Lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 4. 16, sorry. 8 lambda plus 16. Again, 16 minus 8 lambda plus lambda square. Lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44 equal to 2. Simplify, you'll get the value of what? Lambda. 8 lambda cancelled. 64 plus 16, 80. Plus 2 lambda square. And what we can do, we can transpose, sorry, not 80, 96 will come. There is 260, 96. This when you transpose in 2 lambda square, 8 lambda plus 88. Now, next to cancellation. 2 lambda square cancelled. 96 minus 88 equal to 8 lambda. 8 equal to 8 lambda. Lambda equal to what? 1. Don't forget, your magnitude is given, but there is dot product is given, because dot product is what always what it say, what quantity? Scalar quantity. So please be careful about this one. Anybody have problem, let me know. Next question is coming. Everyone understood this one, I think. Next question, question number 12th one. Question number 12th one. Question number 12th one. Again, I repeat, MCQ, don't forget to practice. Today, 2-3 times you practice. Many times you can practice. You just see how much mark you're getting. Question number 12th one. Read it. Given that A equal to I plus 2J plus K, when you're copying this question, be careful. This is what A. B equal to 2I plus J. Question number 12th one I'm doing. 2I plus J. C equal to 3I minus 4J minus 5K. Question, find the unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors A minus B. First you have to find A minus B. A and B when you're subtracting minus I plus J plus K. This is what A minus B. I mean LPP everyone should draw and practice LPP. And the upcoming exam DPS having a small change. Upcoming exam DPS having a small change. In your case 3D won't be there. Instead of that linear complete topic will be the linear, I mean differential equation. Differential equation complete homogeneous. variable separable and linear. Completely will be the 3D I'm removing for upcoming exam for only for Delhi Public School, TPS, not Monarch, instead of this one, because as per the request only, because they have exam that too. This is what A minus B. This one A minus B. Then you have to find C minus B. They're asking C minus B also. 3I minus 2I, it will be I. Minus 4J minus J minus 5J minus 5K. This is what C minus B. They're asking unit vector. Before that, you write a vector which is perpendicular to a vector, not a unit vector, a vector which is perpendicular to both the A minus B and the C minus B. A vector which is perpendicular to both A minus B and C minus B is, I told you, a vector which is perpendicular to both if they are just find that cross product. This cross C minus B. I'm calling this a letter D. A vector which is perpendicular to both the A and B, A cross B. A vector which is perpendicular to both this and this, what? This cross this. So that only, here you want to get a vector which is perpendicular to both the A minus B and the C minus B, that cross product. Therefore, D equal to, we called D, I, J, K. A minus B is what? Minus 1, 1, 1. C minus B, 1, minus 5, minus 5. Calculation mistake, anything is there, let me know. Simply don't write it. Please write. Some people still sleeping. This is a problem. Some good students are attending the class, but the weak students still sleeping. Let them sleep, no problem. Even I can't understand. Even I don't have any duty, only your class. I went outside just now that Cornish area and just reached you. But the people, those who are going to write a board exam is, please find this one. I into minus 5 plus 5, it will be 0. Minus j into, am I right? Minus 5 plus 5 only, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. If any mistake is there, tell me. This one. 5 minus 1, again 4. So you got a D vector. 0i minus 4j plus 4k. I think D vector is correct. But the question is unit vector. Therefore, magnitude D you have to find. Root 0 plus 16 plus 16. 2 times 16 is coming. That is what 4 root 2. Therefore, record vector. Therefore, record vector. D cap. You record unit vector. The D cap equal to. So, unit vector surely question will come. Everyone be careful. D vector by magnitude of D. What is D vector? 0i minus 4j plus 4k divided by 4 root 2. So 1 by root 2 I took it outside. So minus j plus k. Why? Because 4 get cancelled throughout. 4 we can cancel throughout. So 1 by root 2 I kept it outside. So this is what the required unit vector. I hope everyone understood it. Anybody have still problem? Let me know. Everyone understood this question. Next question. Question number 10th one. Please write quickly. Question number 10th one. Find a vector whose magnitude root 171. So whenever they are asking magnitude 100, 1000, million, no problem. First you find a unit vector. Then what you have to do? Multiply with that number. First you find a unit vector. Unit vector means that magnitude will be 1. So you multiply how much magnitude you need. Just multiply with that number. Okay. Question number I told you. 10th one. Given that A equal to I plus 2j minus 3k, b equal to 3i minus j plus 2k. So the question is, find a vector whose magnitude which is perpendicular. So a vector which is perpendicular to a and b, a cross b. That first you write. A vector which is perpendicular to both a and b. A vector which is perpendicular to both a and b. A vector which is perpendicular to both a and b is a cross b. Is a cross b. That I called some d or c. It is your choice. So d vector first we have to find. I, j, k. 1, 2, minus 3. 3, minus 1, 2. Please find a d vector. That is equal to I into 4 minus 3 minus j into 2 plus 9. Please make sure. So I told you this whole question, when you make it a group practicing, center if you want you can come. So one you do, other one also do, then you compare each other. So when you're comparing, you can understand. I got this answer, you got that answer, like that. That's why I told you group study. I'm arranging something in courtyard. Just one vehicle is there in the garage. Once it's released, I'll search the table. I want to get some second table, fiber table. So I want to fix it because new table we cannot fix in the open area. No? So fiber table for sitting 3 or 4 people. But utilize that too. This all facility I'm giving, but you have to utilize. Minus 1, minus 6. So I minus 11j minus 7k. Therefore, magnitude of d, root of 1 plus 121 plus 49. It is 171. This is the magnitude. Therefore, unit vector d cap equal to vector d by magnitude d, I minus 11j minus 7k by root 171. Therefore, the unit vector d cap equal to d by magnitude d, I minus 11j minus 7k by root 171. Therefore, required vector with the magnitude, this is the unit vector, its magnitude is what? 1. But we want to get a vector whose magnitude is what? Root 171. Therefore, required vector with the magnitude. Required vector with the magnitude root 171 equal to root 171 d cap. This is your d cap that you multiply with the root 171. So this question, 11j minus 7k by root 171 cancelled. So you got, this is the required vector. If anybody are doubt, this vector, if you're trying to find a magnitude, you'll get root 171. You can check it. 1 square plus minus 11 square plus minus 7 square is root 171. I hope everyone understood this question. Next one, 7th question after this. 7th question. Time is 9:27. 7th question. Last step with this much only. We found a unit vector. Unit vector means its magnitude is what? 1. If you want to find a vector whose magnitude is 10, you just find a 10 d cap. Because d cap is the magnitude is what? 1. If you want to get a magnitude 10, just multiply 10. If you want to get a magnitude 100, just multiply 100. Here you want to get a vector whose magnitude, if you want to get a magnitude 100, you just multiply what? 100. So it will be what? Nothing will be cancelled. 100 by root 171 will be there. So like that only it will be. But this question, you want to get the magnitude same and magnitude d also same. So required vector with the magnitude root 171 means what? Required vector with the magnitude root 171. This is the unit vector that we multiplied with what? Root 171. So when we multiplied, we got root 171, root 171 get cancelled. So you got I minus 11, j minus 7k. Like that you got. I hope you understood. Next question. Question number seventh one. Seventh one. A equal to I plus j plus k. Given that A equal to I plus j plus k. B equal to j minus k. Let C equal to xi plus yj plus zk. C equal to xi plus yj plus zk. So I given this module and first exercise related module also will upload today. First exercise related. So dot product over. A vector product is going to finish and the first exercise related module also will give today. Now what do you want to see? Question number seventh one. They given A cross C equal to B and A dot C equal to 3. Given that A cross C equal to what? B and A dot C equal to what? 0. 3. Now we can. A cross C. I, J, K. A is 1, 1, 1. C is what? X, Y, Z. That is same as B vector. J, there is no I term, so I am writing 0I plus J minus K. This is what B vector. Now please find and equate. After that I'll tell you. I into Z minus Y minus J into. Many people are making mistake here. Minus J into. Minus J into. Z minus X plus K into Y minus X equal to 0I plus J minus K. The right side things I wrote. By equating, what will get to? Z minus Y equal to 0. Minus of Z minus X equal to 0. Sorry, not a 0, equal to 1. Everything is not equal to 0. Next, Y minus X also what to 1. In all, everything in the letter what we have common letter. Okay, you can bring everything in Z. So from here we can write Y equal to Z. From here Z minus X equal to what? Minus 1 or X minus Z minus when we are taking inside. X minus Z equal to what? 1. So X also I wrote in terms of Z. And here Y equal to 1 plus X. So Y equal to Z. X also 1 plus Z. Minus I took inside. Now we have to do the second part. A dot C. What is A dot C? A is I plus J plus K. This is what Xi plus Yj plus Zk equal to 3. Dot product means 1 into X, 1 into Y, 1 into Z equal to 3. So you'll get X plus Y plus Z equal to 3. Y minus 6 is coming minus 1. Sorry. Yeah, Y minus 6 is telling minus 1. Thank you, Susan. Minus 1. So it will be minus 1 plus. Anyway, we are not using that. Okay. Minus 1. This all together you can keep equation number 1. From 1, X value we wrote in terms of Z, 1 plus Z. Y value is same as what is Z. Then already there is a Z. So 3Z equal to 2, Z equal to what? 2 by 3. Z equal to what? 2 by 3. Z equal to what? 2 by 3. Now substitute any one of the equation. Z equal to 2 by 3. From 1, Y also what? 2 by 3. x equal to 1 plus 2 by 3. That is what? 5 by 3. Therefore required vector c equal to, we record vector c equal to, xi. X is what? 5 by 3 I plus 2 by 3 j plus 2 by 3 k. I just substitute the x value and y value and z value. I hope everyone understood. Anybody have problem, let me know. Next question number. Question number 17th one. Question number 17th one. Question number 17th one. Please write it. Seventeenth one. Given that magnitude of A cross B square plus A dot B square equal to 400 and the magnitude of A is what? 5. We want to find the magnitude of B. What is magnitude of A cross B? Magnitude A, magnitude B sine theta, it's square. Magnitude A, magnitude B sine theta, this is the standard result, is square. A dot B is what? Magnitude A, magnitude B cos theta, it's square. In your observation, you can see magnitude A, magnitude B square is common. So there is a square, don't forget. So what is balanced? Sine square theta plus cos square theta balanced. 10th standard you learn. This is what? 1. And we already have magnitude A how much? 5. So 5 square into magnitude of B square equal to what? 400. 400 by 25, 16. So magnitude B is what? 4. Magnitude what? Cannot be negative. So the answer is what? 4. Anybody have doubt, let me know. Simply don't write it. Next one. We didn't do before. Question number 13th one. Little harder. Question number 13th one. Read all of you. Let A equal to I plus 4j plus 2k, B equal to that one, C equal to this one. Find the vector D which is perpendicular to both A and B and C. Question number 13th one. A equal to I plus 4j plus 2k. B equal to 3i minus 2j plus 7k. C equal to 2i minus j plus 4k. Find a vector D. Let it D equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Please write up to you. After that, I'll tell you. A equal to I plus 4j plus 2k. B equal to this one. Find a vector D which is perpendicular to both A and B. So, I'll tell you. A and B and is, okay. Given that D is perpendicular to A, this actually two methods are there. Either by dot product, cross product also is coming. So, I'm not doing that one. So both will be fine. but I felt this is easy. And D is perpendicular to what? B as well. Also given that C dot D equal to 0, at the end we can see that. So what is D perpendicular to A? Therefore, D dot A equal to 0 and D dot B equal to 0. D dot A equal to 0, D dot B equal to 0. And one more condition is there in the question that later we'll use. I'll find D dot A 0. You know that I think dot product. This is A and this is what D, corresponding term. So X into 1 plus Y into 4 plus Z into 2 equal to 0. So first equation number 1, D dot B equal to 0 means this is D, 3x minus 2y plus 7z equal to 0, second equation. How you know this one? Dot product means corresponding coefficient. So you got first equation and second equation. Yesterday taught you one method. 3 variable 2 equation how to solve, but here 3 equation is there. Also given that, you read the question, also given that C dot D equal to 27. This is your C and this is your D, 27. That implies 2x minus y plus 4z equal to 27. This is the third equation. You people having third equation, this equation you have to simplify. This equation when you are simplifying, what will be the output? That's what we are calling our solution. So I hope everyone understood it. Now this solution, many ways you can think about it. One is matrix method you can, but that is time consuming. So what I'm doing here, I'm finding everything in terms of x or y, like that you can write it. So it is your choice. I told you that. Here from here x equal to minus 4y plus minus 2z. And from here x equal to 2y minus 7z by 3. Two y minus 7z by 3. Then what you have to do? This x value you have to substitute here. So something you'll get in terms of y, or from 1 or to 3, that is your choice. Your number, if you want, you can place after writing this one. Matrix method also fine if you are confident. From 1, you substitute. This goes a little difficult. 2x, 2 into minus 4y minus 2z. From 1 and 3 you can write, okay? 2 into minus 4y minus 2z minus y plus 4z equal to 27. Anybody have a problem? Tell me. So you'll get minus 8y minus y minus 9y minus 4z and plus 4z get cancelled, I think. Minus 8y minus 4z minus y 4z equal to 27. 4z cancelled. So minus 9y equal to 27. Y you got to minus 3. Y you got to minus 3. So this value you substitute in equation 1 and 2. Okay, y equal to minus 3, everyone understood, I think. Y value we got to minus 3. Little complication is there in books and or by solving. This we can solve by cross product also. That everything I'm not explaining now because you get confused. Put y equal to minus 3 here. So x equal to minus 4 into minus 3, 12 minus 2z. X equal to 12 minus 2z. This is what equation number 4. Put y equal to minus 3 here also. So x equal to minus 6 minus 7z by 3. This is what equation number 5. So almost you got the idea. Now from 4 and 5, little difficulty is there. That's why during class hours I didn't discuss. From 4 and 5, 12 minus 2z equal to, any calculation mistake from my side you have to tell me. Minus 6 minus 7z by 3. Do the cross multiplication. 36 minus 6z equal to minus 6 minus 7z. So 42 equal to minus z. So z equal to what? Minus 42. Z equal to what? Minus 42. From 4, x equal to 12 minus 2 into minus 42. So x equal to 48, 60 will come. X equal to 60. X equal to 60. Y equal to minus 3. X equal to 60. Y equal to minus 3. The required vector D equal to 60I minus 3Z minus 42K. This is the required vector 60I minus 3Z minus 42K. So calculations are the little more. So please try to understand. This is only the what I feel the difficult question in this module. All the things are manageable thing. Now I'm opening in front of you. Any question, doubt is there, you can ask me. Then we can save the time. Now you can ask me any doubt in this one if it is there. So simply don't waste the time. And this question by cross product method also is there. X is 60, no? Yeah, 60 is coming now. Because 1 minute. Mistake is there. 96 is coming. 1 minute. Sorry, this is what 2 into 40 to 84. Yeah, 96 is coming. Sorry, 96. Sorry, 96. You just calculate it. You're feeling sleepy actually. I slept yesterday 12 and woke up before 5. I told you, I was outside. I want to sleep after 10 to 1 more class is there. Okay, 96I minus 3J minus 42K. Any other question in this sheet? Please ask me. Then we can save the time. Please let me know. Anybody have any other doubt? Please let me know. Please have a look very quickly. Question number 6th one. In between you can check it. Question number 6th one. Given that, sorry, prove that, LHS, question number 6th one, LHS, A minus B cross A plus B. So we are doing, after this question, A cross A, I cross I is what? 0. Why I cross I is 0? Angle between I and I is what? 0. Our formula magnitude is sine 0. Sine 0 is what? 0. But I dot I means there is A dot B cos theta is coming, cos 0 is 1. A cross A plus A cross B minus B cross A minus B cross B. Dot product and cross product, don't get confused. This is 0, this is also 0. Plus A cross B. I told you many times, Cartesian product is not. Vector product is not. Vector product is not what? Commutative. So minus B cross A is what? Plus A cross B. Minus B cross A same as what? A cross B same as what? Minus B cross A. And this 0. How many A cross B? 2 times A cross B. That is what RHS. 2 times A cross B. That's what we are calling our RHS. Now ask the question 20th one, 20. 20th question. LPP already given with answer key and 2 case study. Everyone practice. Any problem if it is there, let me know. Question number 20. The two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 2i minus 4j minus 5k and 2i plus 3j. If you want, you can draw a parallelogram.
Your question number?
Question number 20. What about you? What sentence you are saying? I did not get you. Question number 20. ABCD. ABCD. Your math exam next week means this topic I already told you. 1 month October plan only. Based on that only the exam is coming. So you have to write it. There is no excuses. If you didn't learn, that is not my mistake. DPS is not only a differential equation. They have every chapter. Instead of 3D, I added differential equation. That only what I added. 3D is not there. Instead of that one, differential equation I added. That is what I am doing for DPS. All other chapter October plan completely will be there. Question number 20. The two adjacent sides are given. This side is given 2i minus 4j minus 5k. We can call A vector. And another adjacent side is given 2i plus 2j plus 3k. B I called. Find two unit vector parallel to its diagonals. Using diagonal vectors, find the area of this one. I told you many times, the biggest diagonal is always what? A plus B. This is the biggest diagonal. We can call it as D1. Then that's unit vector you want to find. Two adjacent sides of a parallelogram given. Find two unit vectors parallel to its diagonal. First one, D1 equal to A plus B. Bigger vector, I told you already some A plus B. Smaller vector is what? B minus A. Don't forget about that. B minus A. A plus B means 4i minus 4j minus 2j minus 5 plus 3 minus 2k. This is the D1. Correctly, I think 4i minus 2j minus 2k. Therefore, magnitude of D1, because they are asking what unit vector. 16 plus 4 plus 4, root of 24, that you can write 2 root 6. 2 root 6. 2 root 6. 2 root 6. So what is D cap? D1 cap. First they are asking that one, D1 cap equal to 4i minus 2j minus 2k by its magnitude. So if you are simplifying 1 by root 6, I took it outside. 2i minus j minus k. This is what first unit vector along the direction of what? Or a parallel D1 cap. Second diagonal we are calling D2. D2 we are calling. Now this is the unit vector, don't forget. Unit vector. D2 vector is B minus A. Not A minus B, B minus A. 2i minus this is 0i. 2j plus 6j. Don't make a mistake. I told you already. What is that 3 now? 3 minus minus, it will be 8k. So D2 magnitude 0 plus 36 plus 64, 100. So it will be 10. Therefore, what is the unit vector? This is the first answer. Unit vector D2 cap 0i plus 6j plus 8k by 10. If you want, you can simplify. If you want, you can stop like that also. Or you can write, it's your choice, D2 cap, unit vector 0 by 10, 0i only. 6 by 10, you can write 3 by 5i. Or 1 by 5, if you want, you can take it outside. 8 by 10 is what? 4 by 5k. This is the unit vector. But there is a sub question. Using diagonal vectors, you have to find what area of the parallelogram. Sometimes chances there. Area of parallelogram ABCD. Diagonal vector, if it is given, I given a formula 1 by 2 magnitude D1 cross D2. Be careful, not unit vector, not unit vector. It is D1 and D2. This is what your D1. This is what your D2. So 1 by 2 I j k. D1 coefficient 4 minus 2 minus 2. Actually, if you wanted 2, you can commonly take it outside. That's the properties of the determinant. You didn't learn. If any row or any column, something is common, you can take it outside. Like that one property is there. And yesterday, those who attended, I hope perfectly understood shortest distance, point of intersection, foot, image, and parallel lines. How will be many things we discussed yesterday. And the D2 vector 0, 6, 8. 1 by 2, don't forget. The area parallelogram actually magnitude of A cross B is there, but diagonal if you are using half should be there. But they are telling by using diagonals. So it will be its magnitude they're asking. No? So first we have to find this one. I into minus 16 plus 12, 28. Minus 16 plus 12. Please make sure. Minus j into 32 plus k into 24. So its magnitude you have to find its magnitude. So 1 by 2 root of 28 square, 32 square, 24 square. If anything common, you can take it outside. That's also fine. And this you simplify what you're getting, that will be your answer. Everywhere 4 is common for easy calculation. 4 square, I took it outside. 7 square balance. 8 square balance. 6 square balance. So because 4 square, I took it outside. 4 square, if it is coming out of 4, or the calculation I made it easy, you see. 49, 64, 36. This cancelled. So 2 times 149 square unit. Make sure correct or not. 2 times 149 square unit. Any other doubt is there in the sheet? Please tell me quickly because only 4 minutes. Isn't minus 4 and not 28? Minus 16 plus 12 is coming. Sorry, minus 16 plus 12. Sorry, this is minus 4. Now everyone please check it in the beginning itself. It is minus 16 plus 12, minus 4, sorry. All other things are correct, I think. Minus 4. Minus 4 square. So minus 4 square, if you take here, 1 will be there. 1 will be there. So 101 is coming. 101. Yeah, 101, I think. Now any other mistake is there, tell me. Any other doubts? Please tell me quickly. Any other doubts? Because I think remaining question you can manage. Then one more question I'm doing. Fifth one. Once you finish the modules, if you have time, go through the notebook, okay? Because this exercise around 55 questions we done, but I took here only 20 questions. So once you finished it, please have a look the notebook also. Once you finished only. Question number fifth one. Fifth one, before starting, I want to say A dot A can be represented as simply A square or magnitude of A square or what A square. This everything is same only. Like that, A dot B can be represented as simply AB. Even you people remember it. The same procedure you done were in the physics you are using like that. AB you can call. Okay. Or that only. AB also you can call. Or A dot B, whatever. Like that. But here same thing came. That's why we wrote like that. Question number, which one I told you? Fifth one. LHS A cross B whole square can be written as magnitude of A cross B whole square. Both are same only. What is magnitude of A cross B? Magnitude A, question number I am doing fifth one. Magnitude A, magnitude B sine theta whole square. That is magnitude A square, magnitude B square, sine square theta. Sine square theta you can write in 10th standard result. 1 minus cos square theta. So open the bracket, magnitude A square, magnitude B square, minus magnitude A square, magnitude B square, cos square theta. 1 minus sine square theta means what? 1 minus cos square theta. Now this one simply, now if you are doubt, just directly you can magnitude A we can call what? I told you we can call A square also, this also we can call. So simply we can write A square, B square you can write. This is what A dot B result, A dot B whole square. What is A dot B whole square? Magnitude A, magnitude B cos theta. This is what you are. Once you finish it directly, what do you want to write that you can. So I hope everyone understood. If any other doubt is there, you can WhatsApp me. So our module number B7 successfully completed. Now, not sure, today sometimes night I will come to finish, not sure, to finish the functions because some people requested, so functions we have problem and differential equation also we have problem that I didn't upload in the channel also because some more questions are there to discuss, differential equation linear. Sometimes tonight I will come, not sure. Okay, that's all, bye, take care.